Welcome to our channel. Watch as we craft a sleek teak plant shelf with care and precision. Cut and size the wood right dimension. Mark the circle and fit it together using nails. Cut the circle shape with a jigsaw. Smooth the shape with a grinder. Create curved shelf edges using a router. Smooth the shape with a grinder. Cut for attached circular shelf pieces. Assemble the shelves in circular pieces using screws. Attach the wall shelf brackets. Finally, apply sealer and top coats with an air spray. Use worn 320 grit sandpaper to lightly sand between each coat of paint for a smooth, even finish. Look at the beautifully finished teak plant shelf. Thank you for watching. Our teak plant shelf is more than decor. It's a lasting work of art for your home.